I remember being a child like it was yesterday. The carefree times, lying on the grass to look at the sky. I entered the Cadet Corps when I was 11, but studying wasn't my calling. Instead, I preferred taking risks. My first time in a flying machine? Oh, how exciting it was! So high above the earth, like ruling the skies. When the war broke out, I was there. I was called different names. The Red Devil, the Red Knight, the Red Baron.
I broke the record of 40 victories, became the new ace.
But I never got into an aircraft for fun. And I was good. I don't even remember how many medals I received. I led my own squad, the Flying Circus. We engaged in battles every day, taking risks. Brave boys.
You're good.
My Red Plane's engines were growling like a beast. Shots blasting all around. Their sound was deafening. I was suddenly in the middle of chaos. The enemies surrounding me. And then...
Michael, I was looking for you everywhere.
Mom, look who I met.
Who? Oh, let's go. Quickly, they're waiting for us.
Nine! Yes, yes, yes! Yeah!